Hello friend, Standard 9, Chapter number 4, आसना पार्ट 3 आज शुरू कर रहे हैं। आप लोगों को पहले मैंने यूजफुल सजेशन फॉर आसन, इसके बाद पार्ट 2 में पद्मासन और गोमुखासन समझा दिया था। आज हम इससे आगे 3 आसन लेने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले धनुरासन। आप लोग जानते हैं कि धनुष्य जैसा आकार होने की वजह से उनका नाम धनुरासन पड़ा है। बेसिक पोजीशन इनकी स्लीपिंग इन प्रोन पोजीशन, द हैंड्स टू बी केप्ट ऑन द साइड ऑफ द body, the palm of the hands should remain facing the ground, the leg should be straight from the knees. तो सबसे पहले bend both the leg from the knee in such a way that the heels of the leg will touch the buttock. Then catch both the legs from the ankle with both the hands. Pull the legs with the hand. The weight of the body should remain rested on the navel. Then pull the trunk of the body. Take the bent head on the back side as far as possible. Keep the eyesight in the front. This is the complete position of the asana. Remain in the position for the while, then come in the basic position. Leave the pulling of the body. Simply keep both the legs caught with the hands. Put both the hands on the side of the body. Straighten the right leg from the knee and put on the ground. Then straighten the left leg from the knee and put the ground. Point to be kept in mind: in individual having hernia, ulcer, prostate, heart trouble, high blood pressure should not do this asana. Pregnant women should not do this asana. What is benefit? So, fat on the stomach decrease. There is in gas, constipation trouble. Beneficial for the diabetic patient. The muscles of hands, legs and chest become strong. Beneficial for the stop, shoulder without any deformity. Nerves get nourished. Spine column is straightened. It's become flexible. The pain in the waist gets rid of. Blood circulation become proper. One get good health. नेक्स्ट है ताड़ासन, जो खड़े खड़े किया जाता है और एक बड़ा लंबा पेड़ आता है ऊंचा, इसके नाम पर से इसका नाम ताड़ासन पड़ा है। तो दिस आसन इज परफॉर्म इन स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन, सिंस पोजीशन ऑफ द बॉडी रिजेंबल लाइक दिस द पाम ट्री, इट इज नेम्ड एज ताड़ासन. Basic position: keep the palms of both the legs together, keep both the hands straight and the fingers in touch with the body, keep the eyesight in front. कैसे करना है मेथड? Take both the hands upward from the front in slow motion. The hands will face each other. Hands will remain in touch with the ears. Raise the body up on the palms on the legs. Keep the heels up the ground. This is the complete position of Tadasana. Remain in this position for the while, then to come in basic position. Place the heels on the ground. Bring both the hands slowly from front to downward. Point to keep in mind. Perform this asana either in morning or in evening with empty stomach. क्या फ़ायदा हो रहा है इससे? तो हाइट इंक्रीज, idleness gets rid of, फिर the muscles of leg, hand, shoulder become strong, running speed increase, body feels lightness, health of body gets suitable, यानी कि पॉजिटिव इम्प्रेशन. नेक्स्ट है पाद हस्तासन. संस्कृत शब्द है. पाद का मतलब होता है पैर और हस्त का मतलब होता है हाथ. बेसिक पोजीशन, द बोथ द legs together, both the hands straight and in touch with the body, the fingers of the hands also in the touch with the body, eyesight in the front. Method, the breathing in the take both the hands upward, keep them straight and touch with the ear, then bend in front from the waist, keep upper body parallel to the ground, keep the palm of the hand facing toward the ground, bring both the hands downward and then keep the palms of the hands on the ground near to the respective legs. Keep the legs straight from the knees. Keep the forehead in touch with the knees. The chin should remain in touch with the chest. This is the complete position of Padhastasana. Remain in this position for the while, then to come in basic position, take the forehead little away from the knees. Bring both the hands upward slowly. Keep the upper body parallel to the ground. Keep the palms of the hands facing the ground. Bring both the hands upward and touch with the ears. Bring both the hands downward. Points to be kept in mind. Those having troubles of stomach and heart should act as per the guidance of the expert. Do not bend the legs from the knees. While taking a particular position, do not give a jerk to the body. What is benefit? Benefit, the body will be in good shape. The muscles of the stomach, back and waist become efficient. The veins and muscles of the stomach become strong. Weight increase, body gets freshness. The efficiency of the nervous increases. Digestive system become effective. Hence, indigestion, stomach trouble like gas, constipation gets rid of. Next है Bhadrasana. Bhadra means prosperity. Hence, this asana is understood as prosperity giving in a called Bhadrasana. आप लोग जानते हैं भद्र का मतलब संस्कृत शब्द है वो मंगलप्रद जिसको मानते हैं, तो इनके नाम पर से भद्रासन पड़ा है. इसका मेथड, sit keeping the legs straight, bring the palms of both the legs together like a namaskar position of the bend. The legs shall remain the bending position from the knees, fixing the fingers of the hands in one another. Hold the palms of the legs from the below strongly. Now bring both the legs nearer to the body with the help of the hands. If possible, bring the legs near to the Sinistan, a portion between of the anus and urine passage. Keep the body straight and bring the chest up. Press both the knees and the ground. Let the breathing be normal. Points to be kept in mind: do not perform this asana when you are suffering from any disease. Perform this asana without jerk. Slowly improve the respective position and then try to get the complete position. What is benefit? The joints of the legs and muscles become strong. Reproductive organs and the digestive system become efficient. The fat on the inner part of the thigh decreases होता है. Determination power increases. Intellect becomes sharp. Effective for the treatment of piles. Advantages in curing the disease like tuberculosis, heart disease, insomnia, 8. इसके बाद आता है शवासना. तो शव का मतलब होता है कि डेड बॉडी, और उसी पोजीशन में आप रहते हैं तो उसके नाम पर से इनका नाम पड़ा है शवासना. विश्राम जिसको कहते हैं, शिथिलासन भी कहते हैं. Basic position: sleep on the back, keeping the feet forward, face forward to the sky. Keep the hands basic of the body. The palms shall be faced the sky. The legs shall remain little apart and straight from the knees. Keep the body relaxed. What is method? So keep the 30 to 45 centimeter distance between the leg and leg. Palms of the leg be inclined sideward. Keep the hands 10 to 15 centimeter away from the body. Keep the palms of the hands facing towards the sky. Keep the palms of the hands up open. Keep the head and steady position either on the right side or left side. Close the eyes slowly. Breathe deeply. Inhale slowly. Remove the tension from the all muscles, veins and organs of the body. Make whole body relax. No part of the body should be harsh. Close the eye. Loosen of the parts of the body from the toe and hand, head. Observe the breathing thing with the peace of mind. The tension and fatigue of all the parts are decreasing. Feel that the whole body is relaxed. I witness of the things that happen in body and mind. Forget the presence of the body and try to experience thoughtlessness, concentration, your mind between two eyebrows. This is the complete position of Savasana. After completing Savasana, pray God. Point to be kept in mind. What is the experience breathing with mind? Method of having against lightness. Method of experience tension and looseness. Method of experience positive thoughts. There is no sleeping in Savasana, but there should be alternate of inside. Savasana seems to be an easy asana, but the great perfection in inquiry it requires more practice and special vision of the exclusive vision, which is difficult to get, but it is not most beneficial asana in yoga asana in method of to get more rest in less time. Have less movement while performing savasana. Do not perform savasana immediately after taking food. What is benefit? So this tension, the tension on nervous decrease and one can get good sleep. The anger become quiet. Blood circulation in whole of the body becomes effective, which helps in getting new energy and enthusiasm. The joints of the legs and muscles become strong. One gets efficiency in doing the works. The weakness of the all veins and muscles gets rid of. fatigue, tension and negative thoughts also get rid of. The energy increases. The body gets new life and mind gets energy, a freshness, peace and enthusiasm. After the performing any asana, savasana should be performed. This gives the rest of all parts of the body. If savasana is performed before doing any asanas, it prepares the mind for the practice of yoga. If savasana is performed for 10 minutes, it gives the advantage of taking sleep for 6 hours. Savasana develops the position of dhyan meditation, remaining the complete position of the while and coming to the basic position. Bring the legs together, bring the hands nearer to the body, bend the right leg from the knee and put up the palm near the knee of the left leg. Turn up the left side, place right hand on the side. Get up with the help of the hand. Put both the hands on the side. तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझा है, जिनमें आज का जो आसन मैंने समझाए हैं वो आप लोग धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करके सीख लेना। चक्रासना है, ताड़ासना हाइट इंक्रीज के लिए है, पादहस्तासना से फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी बढ़ती है इनकी, भद्रासन आपका मंगलमय होने वाला है, और शवासना हर एक आसन के बाद शवासन करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, लेकिन शवासन जब रिमूव करते हैं तो लेफ़्ट साइड से धीरे 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 सोते हुए आपको बैठना है हाथ के मूवमेंट से। तो आई होप कि आप लोग घर पे बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करोगे। थैंक यू।